This is going to be a fun one. So I'm scrolling looking for some great new plastic surgeons, and the AI before and afters have gotten completely out of control. And the craziest thing about it is when I look at the comments, how many people are being fooled by this. If you're researching surgery or want to avoid getting catfished by AI, this video is for you.
I'm from Calgary. I'm feeling great on day 7.
Wow, she looks so good. But fine, let's just give them the benefit of the doubt that this could be real, because there's nothing specifically that I can point out that I can say 100% that this is fake.
Chicago, 3 days after my facelift, and recovery smooth. So glad I chose Dr. Xia in Shanghai. Highly recommend.
Never ever will someone look like that 3 days after a facelift with that much work done. Look at his jacket. What is this random black circle thing on his jacket? That's obviously just like an indicator of AI. Why is her before picture so humongous? Look at her hand when she's holding it up, how she has these like fat fingernails that look big for her fingers. When she puts her hand up, her hand is nice and beautiful and small. I don't know why AI loves putting people's hands up against their face. AI is bad with hands. AI always does weird things with the hands.
Hola a todos, soy de Buenos Aires. Han pasado 7 días desde mi sesión.
So first you can see her hand right before. If she was holding the picture like this, which doesn't make sense anyway, and it's not the pinky on top, it's like the opposite direction the fingers are, and then you see it right after and her hand's completely normal. And then the way it rolls down her body like a wheel, very strange. 100%. They're using AI for these, and this is all completely fake. Like, these aren't even real people. This is all under chin jawline liposuction. And what they're doing here to make the transformation look way greater than it is they're not showing them actually before. This is not what any of these people look like when they came in. Before liposuction, the tumescent technique, they're injecting a large volume of fluid that contains lidocaine, which is the anesthetic. It contains epinephrine, which constricts the blood vessels. And the epinephrine is the reason that it looks so white underneath. If you look at all of these, they look whiter here than they do in the rest of their face. And it makes it swollen and firm. So all this volume you're seeing under here is the tumescent fluid that they're putting in prior to doing the liposuction. So even though they might look like that after, that's not what they actually look like before. So the before and after is not as impressive as when you see them filled up with the tumescent fluid. They could be minor changes, but in this video, they look way more extreme. So I do believe that this is real. Their editing is awesome. They do a really cute job of making these videos. This one is like an OG surgery account that I followed in Turkey, that they've been playing games for a long time, but they've changed their Instagram account name so many different times, I guess because they're getting caught or getting in trouble, so they have to keep like moving the name around. If you can't tell that this is AI, you need to not look at stuff like this online. I want to give clear and concise proof that this is 100% definitely fake for you. The way they take the pictures, the way it always like moves around the head, the reflections in the background, they've done a good job of kind of like making it look like they're in an office setting and doing these, and that it could possibly be the same person. When you look at the video, watch how when the video starts out, they have on a top with white straps that ties behind the neck, and you can see that there's this like big bow thing kind of high up on the neck where it wouldn't be, and then when it circles around to the other side, it's not there. Look, it's missing. Let's see that again. See how you can see that there? And then when you go around, it's gone. I don't know how long ago this was, a few years ago. They actually took real pictures of a guy, and the guy that's the after picture sued them for using his pictures, and he was saying that's not him in the before picture, that they just used pictures of two different people. So they've been either just taking pictures of different people and saying it was a before and after, and now they clearly hired someone that can do AI. So these people are just all over the place. But the funniest thing about this account is I was like, do you know what? Let me reach out to them on WhatsApp and see what they charge, because I was curious. I said I was interested in a deep plane facelift and an upper blepharoplasty. Doctor made some additional recommendations beyond the surgery you requested. Facelift, $4,500 US, which is obviously insane. upper eyelid blepharoplasty. Then they suggested I get a lip lift, V-shaped jawline. They actually shave down your jawline. So without me saying I wanted that, they suggested that I shave down my jawline. A forehead reduction. I don't care, I love my forehead. and a lower facelift. If you undergo multiple surgeries, our company will provide a nice discount based on the total. Don't ever go with surgeons that tell you they're going to give you a discount. It should just be built into the prices. They shouldn't be making additional discounts on top of these things. And they have a lot of balls telling me that I need to reduce my forehead. I hope you learned something here today. And if not, at the very least, I hope it was entertaining for you. I'll see you guys around. Bye.